Tram, chapter 4, cleared across 4 left.
Across the world for more than 30 years, ULTRAMAIN Systems has provided the highest quality software and services to leading companies worldwide. Our comprehensive maintenance, logistics, and electronic logbook software has been refined and enriched through years of collaboration with our customers. We span the globe, providing innovative technology, web-based capabilities, and mobile applications. ULTRAMAIN is at the front of an industry-changing transformation from legacy-based paper methods to mobile paperless systems. Combine all of their market offerings, and ULTRAMAIN still has more approvals from aviation authorities for paperless systems. And that's only the beginning of what's to come. ULTRAMAIN Systems. Simple, mobile, paperless.